Alright, the purpose of this video is to change the CRT level of 300 CFM on the Broan EW48 range hood. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply power to the unit, and I just applied power. The next step, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to verify what it's set on. And basically, if this is the A button, the B button, the C button, if I press the B and C at the same time for 6 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 3 lights will light up and go out. So basically that's telling me that it's set at the 400 CFM. What I'm going to do is to change this, I'm going to press and hold the B and C button for 6 seconds. Once I do that, I'm going to press the A button until one LED flashes, and then I'm going to confirm it within 3 seconds. I'm going to press the B button. So let's do this. So B and C for 6 seconds. I'm going to press the A button till one flashes, and then I'm going to press the B button to confirm it, and it's all set for 300 CFM. To confirm that, all I would need to do is press the B and C button, and one light should be flashing. And so let's do it. Six seconds, one light is flashing, so it is confirmed that this unit is at 300 CFM. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.